Calf pain is feeling of discomfort in the fleshy tissues on the backside of the leg from below knee to the upper part of the ankle. Calf pain may affect entire calf muscle or maybe a localized part of the calf muscle. Calf pain may be irritating or may be very discomfort when you try to walk on the floor. Calf muscle pain commonly seen in athletes like a runner, jogger or tennis players. This type of injury may be in the form of a sprain or a strain around the calf muscle. Sometimes even we see it in the normal people, maybe due to improper biomechanical activities. Calf pain may be commonly due to muscle cramps, maybe due to less water intake or electrolyte imbalance in our body. If you follow calf stretching and strengthening exercises, then definitely you will get a good results for the calf muscle pain. Myself, Dr. Girish CM, orthopedic and sports physiotherapist from Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Before starting the exercises, we need to understand where is the calf muscle. The calf muscle is present backside of the leg and starts from below knee, then it goes up to the upper part of the ankle. This calf muscle has two tendons. One is medial, then another one is lateral head, and it gets inserted to the calcaneum bone. And normally the pain will be in the form of dull aching or maybe a sharp shooting or maybe tingling numbness sensations. First exercise for the calf pain is foam rolling. Instead of using a foam roll, we can use water filled bottle, place it below the calf muscle, then using a upper body weight and lifting the body up, then putting a pressure on the calf muscle by rolling the water bottle front and back side, so which will be put pressure on the calf muscle so that there will be relaxing the calf muscle. Second exercise we call it a calf stretching. Here we need to use towel for the calf muscle stretching. The towel should be placed below the foot like this. Then you need to pull with the help of hand towards a dorsiflexion or towards the body. So for more stretching, we can use water bottle below the ankle which I've already placed, so that this gives much effective calf muscle stretching. This can be hold for 30 seconds each stretching. This should be repeated 3 to 5 times. This will help to reduce pain in the calf muscle. Next exercise is calf strengthening in sitting position. Here the patient should do heel rise, then down, up. If you are much comfortable, you can hold it for 5 seconds in a heel up position, then down. Heel rise, hold it for 5 seconds, then down. Lift it up, then down. So like this exercise you can do it up to 30 numbers. Each set can do it for 3 to 5 times. This would help to improve calf muscle strengthening. Next exercise for the calf muscle pain is calf strengthening in standing position. Here you need to raise the heel up, Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Then raise it up. Then down. If you have a balance issues, then you can take a support of a wall with both the hands. Then hold it for 5 seconds. Then take it down. Raise it up. Then down. So this exercise would help to strengthen the calf muscle as well as improve a blood circulation. It sends blood back to the heart. As previously I have told you, it is second heart of our body. So this exercise should be repeated 10 numbers into 3 sets. Next exercise is calf stretching. We call it self stretching. For this, patient should be stand close to the wall. Toes should be placed towards the wall. Heel should be always touching to the floor. Knee should be touching to the wall. Body should be straight. So in this position, the calf will get stretched very well. And this stretch should be placed for 30 seconds. And it should be repeated 3 to 5 times. This stretching would help to reduce tightness of calf muscle. Thereby, calf muscle will get relaxed. Next exercise is, we call it gastro knee stretch. So here the patient should keep the left leg front with the knee bent. The right leg should be knee straight. Take a wall support with the hands, and as much as possible knee should be bent, but other leg should be placed knee straight. So in this position, the calf muscle will get stretched. When knee will be straight, the gastrocnemius muscle will get stretched, or we call it a calf muscle will get stretched. This need to be held for 30 seconds and repeat for 3 to 5 times. This is once again patient himself or herself can do the exercises. Next exercise, we call it gastrocnemius or calf muscle stretching in standing position with the help of small stairs or step. So now once the patient is standing on the step, slowly need to move backside. Patient should stand on the toes. Then gradually heel should be taken low with knee straight. So here patient feel calf muscle stretching for both the legs, and it should be repeated 3 to 5 times. Each number should be holding for 30 seconds. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for a future notification. If there is any advice or suggestion, kindly mention below. Thank you all. Stay safe. God bless you all.